1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, too much. Okay, what's that next? Oh, no. Okay. No, the lid for this. Oh yeah, Debbie. See? Okay. Now with. Oh, that's not blue yet. Soon it's gonna turn blue. It's gonna turn blue. Oh yeah. Oh no, this needs to be little tiny. So this can go through the hole. Okay. Oh, that's not that tiny. That's what I did here. Don't laugh. It's an experiment. So this is gonna be bad. Yeah. So when is it? When is it gonna drop the light thing? Why isn't it good? Try this. You guys, I got your hurting. Yeah, you're not Don't laugh, Tyler.
Friends.
Okay, because it said, what the? You guys, I thought it was funny.
Friends, right now we're not talking.
Yeah, it's not funny.
Clementine?
Try and shake your head to get your laugh out. It's bubbly. Whoa, it's bubbly.
Okay. What are you adding to the bottle?
I know when is it gonna turn blue. I don't know what.
Ooh.
I don't know what. Oh, that looks so cool.
Wow.
It's a lava lamp.
Charlie,
Your mom said
Charlie,
pick
try
it
the
up.
other one. We want to see the other colors, see if the other ones work.
Okay. What's gonna happen to orange? Bubbly? Bubbly. Please tell me it's not gonna explode. It is. It's called a lava lamp. It doesn't explode. But look, it's bubbly.
Wow!